Hello everyone, today we will go over how to uninstall an application on Windows 10. To start, go to the Start button and then type in Control Panel and then Uninstall a program if you're on the Category view and Large Icons if you're on the Large Icons views, which is the same as the small icons. And just click on the Programs and Features. Both options will bring you to the same place. And let's say that I do not want to have this survey thing anymore because I never did. So to uninstall it, all you have to do is either double click on the application or click it and then say uninstall and then accept the prompt. So click yes. And then it's going to, depending on the application, actually a different prompt will show up, basically just confirming that you want to uninstall it, and sometimes it will just start uninstalling it depending on the application. So I'm gonna say yes. And the application has fully been uninstalled. So the other way, for example, I don't have Microsoft Office, but some people may just randomly get Microsoft Office here as an application, or may be able to find it, but not able to find it on this menu. So let me actually open up the other way. So if you go through the modern UI, you can either go here through settings or you can type in settings here and then go to apps. And then here you will notice, for example, here we can see Candy Crush and then we don't see it here. So there's nothing for Candy Crush on the older UI than the modern UI. Basically, these are games, I did not install this myself. These are games that Microsoft will actually push out to you, probably as a way to gain revenue from games and making Windows 10 basically free for most people. So you may get like Office and things just automatically installed through this, and if you don't find it through the classic uninstaller, just go to the modern uninstaller. There's also some applications that do not require to be installed. In that case, for those applications, you can just, for example, this one is not, but if it were, you can right click on it and say Open File Location, and then it will bring you to the location where the application is stored. So you can usually will be on your profile data, so you can just delete that folder. But for to uninstall something from the modern UI, basically it's the same steps. So I don't want this Candy Crush game. You can just click on it and then say uninstall, and then uninstall. It will take a few seconds to go through, and then it will also be gone. However, for these kind of games and stuff, you uninstalling it now does not mean that they will not come back with a future update. There are ways to make them temporarily vanish, but Microsoft will continue to push them out to your computer. So I would just say don't bother with it and just let them be there unless you're hurting for space. Anyways, that would be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Um, Hit the like button if you liked the video and subscribe.